Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Now scroll down again. Click on Display Size and Text, and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. When you finished, just tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!